Ooh, come on, explore with me in nature with Daisy. Let's listen and let's see what nature has for me. Come on, explore with me in nature with Daisy. But let's go to this side. Hopefully it's sweet because it got the yellow bar. Let's get to cutting. Boop, boop, boop. So I'm gonna do it like this. Ooh, this is a big one. Ooh, look at that, y'all. I'm gonna put the seeds in the backyard and see if it'll grow. Ooh, I love the smell of watermelon freshly cut. It's watermelon season. Look at that. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. I know I'm going to cut some stuff to make it smaller. Cut some pieces. So they got feety feet. So I'm gonna put some in there like that. Put that in there like that, like that. The only thing I don't like about this, the only thing I really don't like about this this juicer, it gets filled up too quick. Like this part, it goes, that's the only thing. But I'm grateful I have a juicer. Some people don't have one. And I bought this years ago for my birthday, before I moved here. Some years when it first came out. And then I remember I got it mailed. I remember I got it mailed to my grandma's house, and they had stole it off the porch. I was like, what? And then I had to I was here locally, and I'm like, I can't fly out with that in my suitcase. So what I did, I had them mail it to my grandma's house. So by the time, you know, somebody stole the package off our porch, just way before all this TikTok stuff. So I ordered another one. And then I got it. I picked it up from the local UPS around the corner from my mother's house. Oh my God, vlog. Oh my God, I made a boo-boo. I wasn't even kidding. Half of the juice done went out the thing. Boo-boo. Uh-oh, let me hurry up and clean this up. Now I have to really thorough clean my juicer. Oh my God. All right. put everything away. I done cleaned up. I'm gonna cut up my lime. See my lime? Got a little brown thing on it, but I'm still use it. So this is what I do. Then I put the lime juice over the watermelon, which is a tasty snack. Put the lime over the watermelon. Like that. And there you go. And that's that. I try to put it opposite, and then I put it again to get more juice out. That's how I use my lime squeezer. Lime / lemon squeeze. Put it like that. Get you some more juice. Boom! That's it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for taking time out to just watch me juice. This is very therapeutic for me. I love fruits. I love vegetables. And all of these fruits that I see online that's talking about, oh, this fruit, that I've been eating those fruits for years. So watermelon has always been a staple in our household, and it has had a negative thing against the so-called African American black folks. So with that being said, enjoy watermelon because this is very nutritional. All right, I hope you have an amazing day. Bye. Come on, it's blowing me in nature with Daisy. Let's listen and let's see what nature has for me. Come on, it's blowing me in nature with